Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to check your Airbnb for security cameras. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check your Airbnb for security cameras, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first and then go to the listings section and then create a new list for your Airbnb, or you can use any existing list into here. Now just fill up all the details, and after that there will be a camera option. Let me fill up these details real quick. And now at the end, after setting up the price for your place, you will see this: does your place have any of these option? Now into here you just simply have to tap into this box in order to check for security cameras. Now after checking the box, you just simply have to explain about your exterior security camera into this box, and after that click to continue, and your camera will successfully be checked into here. Now just simply have to tap into next and publish your listing. This way you can easily check Airbnb for cameras. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.